Hey guys, going to walk you through an indirect measurement problem from your homework. The first one that we're going to take a look at here, actually the only one, is going to be number 7, and that can be found on page 284. You can't see the picture, and I always like to sketch it myself anyway. So basically we've got a building that is over here, and it is h feet tall. Put in my windows here. Underneath that, or next to it I guess, is a street sign right here, and that street sign is 10 feet tall. The shadow created by the street sign right here is 14 feet, and then the distance from the building to the street sign is 24 feet. Okay, so this looks a little bit different than what we've seen in class. Let me just show you how we're going to set this up here. So for me, remember, it doesn't really matter how you set it up as long as you stay consistent. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to do height of the building over height of the sign, and I'm going to compare that to the shadow of the building over the shadow length of the sign. So the height of the building, we'll come right over here and do this, is my h. The height of the sign is 10 feet. The shadow of the sign right here is 14 feet. And the height of the building, you got to be careful here. Or I'm sorry, the shadow of the building goes from here all the way out to here. Okay, so it's actually going to be 24 plus 14 to get to 38. So that's going to be the only tricky part of this, just realizing that you got to complete this whole spot right here, and that's going to be 38 feet long. Okay, once we get our setup after that point, it's pretty straightforward. We do our cross products here, 14 times h, 38 times 10. This is 14h, this is 380. And the last thing we're going to do here to solve this, divide both sides by 14, and we're going to get about 27.1 feet tall. Okay, so the height of the building is approximately 27 feet tall using our indirect measurement method. Hope that helps you.